Wait a minute. Will Steenhuisen be the deputy president in this country? Right? You will remember in a video, I've seen the video. In that video, Mr. Steenhuisen said it is the prerogative of the president, once elected, to choose his own cabinet. Right? A lot of people ask this question: will Steenhuisen be the deputy president? Well, we know for a fact that an apple doesn't fall far from its tree. We know for a fact that the marriage is between the DA and the ANC. It's a fact. We all know that. We can't even sugarcoat that. The marriage is between the DA and the ANC. Can't even sugarcoat that. But right, there's an article that has been released by Sunday World. Sunday World, right? ANC aim to dribble DA in the cabinet power sharing by Mawande Amashabalala. The article was released on the 15th of June 2024. Let's give credit to this journalist who are doing it. So now the contestation evolve around right now. It is about who will Ramaphosa appoint? Will Ramaphosa appoint the DA, represented by Steenhuisen, as the president? It remains to be seen. But Sunday World gave us some sort of, you know what I'm saying, through the source, a person who is within the ANC, gave us the, you know what I'm saying, the insight. It says, "I Bongan, let me tell you what is going to happen." So, the ANC believe it's going to suffocate the DA when the two parties get the negotiation table over national executive positions. That is what the article says. But what do I say? Well, I do say that you need to do this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people. Because to subscribe, it is free. To like the video, it is free. To comment in the comment section below, it is free of charge. To click the notification bell, it is free of charge. To share this video, it is free of charge. To watch this video until the end, it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, will bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Oh yes, having said that, let's go through the article from a daily Sunday World. This after two parties successfully captured the key position in parliament as well as the highest political office in the land. It all happened at the first National Assembly sitting in Parliament on Friday. In a coalition that has been disguised as a government of national unity, the parties have now set their sight on sharing the spoil in the cabinet, with the ANC having the upper hand. I like what they've highlighted here. They said that it's a collision between DA and ANC, but it is disguised as a national government, in the government of national unity. You know, guys, we shared with you a letter from EDA, and they did exactly that. So the people who leaked that letter, they did an incredible job. But yeah, right now, all political parties are complaining that they are being excluded in the so-called government of national unity. The ANC released a statement saying that they are talking with everybody. Political parties, day after in Parliament on Friday, confirmed that they've never been approached. The ANC is not talking to them. Guess what? The ANC come back and say, we are talking to them. They are just being difficult. That is ANC for you. They are lying broad daylight to cover up their lies that this is not a government of national unity. It's a coalition between DA and ANC. But let's proceed. Sunday World has learned that the DA is targeting, among other positions, the key Department of Agriculture, Trade and Industry. This despite the fact that the ANC is planning to look at the portfolios in the economic and security clusters. The ANC leader says they will dribble the DA into the cabinet. This after capturing the National Assembly Speaker and the National Council of Province Chair position. We are done with them. We are in charge of the sitting chief, and the DA is new in this game. We will show them in the cabinet, said a prominent ANC leader, as quoted by Sunday World, who did an incredible job. He continued to say, they will not get what they think they will get. But remember that the president is ours. We draw the mandate for the ANC ranks, despite the fact that this national government is one of a national unity. The DA, after much push to take control of the legislature, finished second Fegl. This after the ANC refused to give them the position of speaker. According to Insider, the DA was seeking legislative control. This was to overhaul ANC politician over the calls and claim the moral high ground on fighting corruption. But the Lutuli House outfit put its foot down and relegated the DA to the second place, with only the deputy speaker to show. Oh, Asas. Let's continue to go through this article. Kodwa mina ngithi abanye benu bayokhala. ANC's experience in negotiations. Now the source says the ANC has been long been involved in tough negotiations since CODESA. So our experience is not to be underestimated. What does the DA leader know about negotiations? He is wet behind the ears, said an ANC NGU negotiator. We see those saying we've got the road deal, but we actually won, and we will continue winning even when we from the national executive. Mbalula confirmed yesterday that the ANC had an upper hand over the DA, which comes to the negotiations with red lines. Listen to this one. It's Sunday World. This newspaper has heard that Ramaphosa will appoint his ANC deputy, Paul Mashatile, to be the second in command in government. The idea of a second democratic local president has been dished. This was due to unconstitutional confusion over the matter. Ramaphosa will then proceed to populate economic cluster and security clusters ministries and the ANC cadres. This will do before deciding what to give to the DA and others in the what. Hey, the story is long, guys. It's a very interesting article that I must say. One needs to read this article. I will try to leave the link of the article in the video description below. But let's give credit to the journalists that have done their incredible job. Let's give credit to the journalists who have done a very incredible and a stellar job in finding this information for us. But yeah, like I said to you guys, Uguti, already people are complaining about the NGU, right? National Government of Unity. Already people are complaining about this Government of National Unity, whatever you want to call it. People are saying that they are being excluded, and all those political parties, it appears like DA are getting the preferential treatment and everything. Do you foresee Ramaphosa appointing Steenhuisen as the Deputy President or Paul Mashatile? What do you think will happen? In the comment section below.